How to buy NFTs on OpenSea. NFTs have taken the world by storm. This digital art is probably the most wanted thing in this world. Everyone from the common man to rich billionaires is trading in this cryptocurrency. Anyone can buy them and sell them at a profit. The right trade can make anyone a millionaire. So buying into this craze might be worth it, but how do you buy NFTs from marketplaces like OpenSea? OpenSea is the biggest digital marketplace for NFTs. Just in the first half of January 2021, it made $2.7 billion from selling NFTs. So we are going to tell you how you can buy from this website. Make an OpenSea account. For this, you just need to get MetaMask. Now, you might be thinking, what is MetaMask? Well, MetaMask is the cryptocurrency wallet you must have to buy anything from OpenSea. It's your digital wallet, which stores cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum for your use. You can connect it to any NFT marketplace and start buying. To get MetaMask, you click on its option to OpenSea, and it takes you to the Install MetaMask screen, where you can easily add it to Chrome. Now you can easily make an account on MetaMask very easily and sign into OpenSea through this MetaMask account. You only need to put in your MetaMask password and your OpenSea account will be created. Finding NFT. Before transferring in the cryptocurrency, you need to find the NFT you like first. This is because NFT costs more money than the price shown. This is because of something called gas money. It changes every day, so whatever the price of the NFT you like is, transfer $100 more than that price. The remaining money will stay in your account so that you don't need to worry. Buying crypto. Now, there are a few stores from where you can buy cryptocurrency. The biggest one of them is Coinbase. It is fairly easy to use, so if you are a beginner, this is the store you should choose to buy your cryptocurrency. You can easily make an account, and even though it takes a bit of time to verify it, it is worth it. After making an account, click on Ethereum and choose Trade. Now you buy, sell, or convert it if you have an existing cryptocurrency. You can pay by card or set up your bank account and buy the cryptocurrency. Now, Coinbase has a higher fee than other platforms, but its easy-to-use UI makes it worth it. The Ethereum will appear in your Coinbase wallet, and all you need to do now is transfer it to the MetaMask. Go to MetaMask, click on the button in the middle, and copy to clipboard. Now open your Coinbase wallet and click the Send option. Paste the address in the To section and write MetaMask in the note. Set your amount and click on Continue after 10 minutes. This will appear in your MetaMask account. If you don't want to trade with Coinbase, you can go to Crypto.com or Binance, but they are not for beginners as they are complex. Nft Checkout. After getting the cryptocurrency, all you need to do is go on OpenSea and click Checkout. You will get a gas fee, and you can choose to lower it, but your NFT will be delivered in a longer time. So you can choose whatever gas fee you would like, but it will affect your delivery time. The lowest gas fee may take hours or a day to deliver your NFT. After your NFT has been bought, it will appear in your collection. Now you can sell, auction, or do whatever you like with it. Like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to the channel.